Oh, you like it? All right, I have an event every day this week, so you're coming with me for another vlog. Family Day! Woo! We are actually going to the Century City Mall because there is a Build-A-Bear Hello Kitty event, and my kids have never done Build-A-Bear.
Me haven't.
So it should be exciting. Naya's ready. She's still learning how to hold a bottle as a breastfed baby. She uses her wrists, but she's figuring it out. Oh, toesies. Distracted by her own feet. That's enough. Here we go. Family Day.
Family Day.
Family Day.
Look at that cute pie. Shake.
I don't get to put any
Let's
shit.
push one. And Kylo, you push one and Kylo push two. Kylo, you push two. Push two. See, we both pushed one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Naya's wearing a clip.
See if it's the right floor.
Nope, not this. Wait, maybe? Where are we?
I don't know.
Oh, by Bloomingdale's. So now we need to go look for Build-A-Bear. I don't know my way around this mall. We need a map. Playing the soccer game.
It's so high.
Going up.
The sun is shining up there.
The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Mama, we're on the board.
Look, Kylo. It's Build-A-Bear Hello Kitty. Come here, guys. Let me tell you what this is. This is a place where you can build your own stuffed animal. Ready? Let's go inside.
We just came out with our strawberry ice cream choco.
Cute.
This is our banana sundae split pom-pom pudding.
Okay.
It is exclusive to this location, so
Oh.
it's only going to be available here.
Okay.
It's not online. It's not anywhere else.
Okay.
We also have our mint chocolate chip choco cat.
How cute. Janet, guys, you're missing all the names. Kylo, come here. These are the new ice cream ones.
And this is our bubble gum ice cream cinnamon roll. He's available online and at this location only. It's
Okay.
exclusive to here as well. And then this is our ice cream sprinkles Hello Kitty.
Ooh, okay.
So these are the newest, mint chocolate chip.
So look, we can do this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. Which one is your favorite one? Ooh, I like him.
One is the one up there.
Oh, yeah?
You want green or yellow?
Ooh, that's a cool one.
Take them.
Cool. So see how flat he is? So now we gotta put stuffing inside.
Come on up for you guys. JALT$10. Is it your first time at Build-A-Bear Workshop? All right. Go ahead and say yes right there. There we go. And then your birthday. Do you want to put in your birthday? It's going to be your bubblegum ice cream cinnamon roll's birthday, okay?
Aww. Today's his birthday now.
Hey, go ahead. Here you go. All right, it's your turn.
Your turn, Kylo.
How do you spell your name? Your name is like Kylo Ren.
I did the best game of the whole wide world.
And here we go. We're
There's
gonna
your
get.
magic chip.
There we go. All right, I'm gonna put it inside. Okay.
I love you, Kyla. I love you, Kyla.
Pick it up. Yeah, very good. I'm gonna come run on over here with my friend Madeline. She's gonna take care of you for the next stop, right?
Okay, let's go over here.
All right, Madeline, we have our friends coming on over. Hi guys, how are you?
Hello. Okay.
And I'll let you know when to stop or when to just turn.
It's gonna fill it up with stuffing, okay? Kylo, come watch. We're gonna fill it up. Whoa. See all the cotton? He's filling up, he's filling up.
Oh, but you said
Wow, Jaylee!
Feel this for me. Let me know how this feels. I could put more. I could put less.
What do you think?
Give it a big hug. What do you think?
Good.
It's good?
Good.
You like the way it
Good.
feels? Rub it just like the little cotton candy shower.
Oh.
Oh.
He's gonna smell like cotton candy. What do you think,
See
Jalen?
your choco?
Do you smell it?
Can I smell it?
Smell it?
Wow, that's good.
Here goes Kylo.
Oh, Kylo.
Alright, ready. You can let go now. Let me know how this feels. Give it a big hug.
You good? Okay.
Okay, cool.
All right, good.
Yes. So are you gonna do it with the little hearts, or are you gonna warm up their little hearts? Like, give them lots of love. There you go.
Warm up their hearts.
Good job. Oh, it's falling in love with me. It's working. Alright, give a little heartbeat to clean the mess well. Nice little heartbeat. Good job. You're gonna grab your heart, reach the stars in the sky like you guys are superstars. Happy together with Choco Cat. Yeah. You can give lots of kisses.
Okay, let's put the heart inside. Oh, you put on the heart. Oh.
You ready?
Okay, now you can pick out some clothes. Here's the ice cream clothes over here. Oh, there's so many things. The palm tree. The shoes. Oh, that's the perfect outfit, Jalen.
Find one online.
That's a good one. Where's Kylo's mint chip? Can you find the mint chip outfit, Kylo? That's you. Look at Tim. Look at you. Oh, good job.
Nice.
That's better. I like it. Okay, let's go.
This is called our celebrate area. This is where we You guys
Ooh.
can sit on the chairs and dress them here too.
Okay, let's get them dressed. Here, Kylo, you sit right in this chair. Here you go. Here's the pants. Okay, now do the other leg. I'll hold it. Do the other leg.
Yeah, looking fresh.
You did it! See, Mommy was just trying to help you.
Oh, yeah. We did it, guys. Good job.
Guys, guess what she gave us? Free ice cream! Jayla, look, we get ice cream. Let's go get some. What do you say? Get your certificate, Kylo.
It's yours, and this one is yours.
Wow. Yay! What's yours say? That's he was born today? Wow.
They're blank, so you guys can fill them out whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you. This was so cute. Oh, your characters look so good. Oh, you like it? You guys did a great job.
Thank you, Build-A-Bear.
I got butter pecan. Oh, so good. It's not even too sweet, but it's just like delicious. The butter pecan is on top, and the pecans, but all the ice cream is Hokey Pokey flavored. Next stop, came to the park.
Look at them playing together.
That was so disgusting.
What?
That was so disgusting.
What happened?
So there were like so many flies
So many flies.
in the sandbox.
He said, Dada, make the bottle.
Sorry.
My name is a pretzel.
Your name is a pretzel. Ah.
Daddy has to get every last speck. Just give her the bottle. Wait for Mama. You say Mama?
The way she lights up. Guys are back.
vacation.
Was it crazy?
This is our first summer vacation with 3 children. I forgot that we have to feed all of them now at all times of the day. Because usually we have school take care of most of the meals. But now we're on 3 meals a day. This one eats the most. And she only has half a tooth. But it's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
You have a fun day?
With Chick-fil-A.
Fun day with Chick-fil-A.